Try to know it, try to feel it, yeah. It's your life, yeah. Try to live it, yeah. Forget about tomorrow.